Good morning, students. We have read about women's status in India. That we have read that how the women are being degrading in the society. Now our next topic is again for the women only. That is violence against women. In India, various kinds of harassment, exploitation, and violence are common against women. That you hear, that you experience every day in the newspaper, every day in the TV, or everywhere you can see that the women are being harassed physically, mentally. In urban areas, it is more in urban areas. The women are not safe even their own home from the domestic violence, because for in urban areas especially you see that for domestic work they are being harassed, for dowry they are being mentally and physically they are being exploited, and say ki bhaiya we want money, go and ask to your parents. And if she's saying no, then all such things happens, which you must have also seen. So how to control, how to control all this violence against women. So the feminist movement, I think we have discussed earlier also. So feminist जो people हैं, they just urge to the government that we need a seats in the government, so that we can also share our problems to the government, that what are the problems we are going through. So they have demanded that our problem should get attention, so that the people should get to know that we are also facing from lot of problems. So they have urged to the government that they need women as an elected representatives. In India, the proportion of women in legislature has been very low, because if we'll talk about earlier, the society does not want that the female should be representing them, or should not होता ना हमारे बराबर कैसे खड़े होंगे. This thought makes them that they should not make the women unpower them. So the percentage of elected women members in Lok Sabha has crossed 10% of its total strength in 2009. That was the first time when the women were elected as representatives and their percentage was 10. But if you talk about state assemblies, it was less than 5. Means in state assemblies, the members of they do not allow that women should be there as their representative. So there the percentage of women as a representative in state assemblies was very less. So the women were demanding that their seat should be reserved more. So to solve this problem, the government has reserved 1/3 of seats in local bodies, panchayat and municipalities for women. As a result, now there are more than 10 lakh elected women representatives in rural and urban local bodies. So government thought कि I think we should start from the urban areas more, so that the problems which urban women are facing, we should get those points. Because generally क्या होती है, जो गांव के लोग होते हैं, वो क्या होते हैं, वो थोड़े शर्माते हैं, वो अपनी बातों को नहीं रख पाते हैं. सो गवर्नमेंट ने उनके लिए क्या कर दिया है, 1/3 सीट्स रिजर्व कर रखी है, ताकि वो अपनी बातें जो भी हैं उनके अंदर वो शेयर कर सकें इन द पार्लियामेंट. So as a result, the women organization and activist has been demanding a similar reservation of at least 1/3 of seats in Lok Sabha and state assemblies for women. तो ना जो वुमेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी, फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट से, उन्होंने और शुरू किए कि यस वी नीड द शेयर इन बोथ द लोक सभा प्लस द स्टेट असेंबलीज. वी नीड द शेयर इक्वल इन बोथ दीज एरियाज. सो व्हाट हैपन, इनकी डिमांड की वजह से जो अपर हाउस है, दैट इज़ द राज्यसभा, दे हैव पास्ड अ बिल ऑन 9th March 2010. दैट वाज वुमेन रिजर्वेशन बिल. उन्होंने एक बिल पास किया और उस बिल में ये चीज़ें रिकमेंड की थी कि येस द वुमेन शुड गेट द 1/3 ऑफ द सीट्स बोथ इन लोक सभा एंड स्टेट असेंबलीज. बट you know that the society is based on male dominating. So what happens, gender division as a form of social division becomes a political agenda. कुछ लोगों के लिए जो जेंडर डिवीजन होगी वो एक पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा बन गया लड़ने के लिए. पीपल सीक फॉर ऑल दीज एजेंडाज कि अच्छा ये प्रॉब्लम आए तो हम ये उठाएं ताकि लोग हमको वोट करें. सो दे हैव दे गॉट अ एजेंडा टू पुट द थिंग्स इन पॉलिटिक्स। या जेंडर डिवीज़न एक है जिससे हमको इसको मुद्दा बनाना चाहिए, इसको हमें लाना चाहिए, ताकि हमको जो ऑब्वियसली जो इन बातों को उठाएगा लोग उसी को प्रेफर करेंगे वोट देना रहते दिन जो नहीं उठा रहा है। सो वुमेन्स की जो डिमांड थी कि 1/3 सीट रिजर्व करने के लिए समवे वो हो गई।